Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to publish your game on Roblox Studio. So before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So it's a simple. For that you need to enter into your Roblox Studio. Over there it's your game in Studio. So what you need to do is you need to enter into the file and save in Roblox as. Please click save to Roblox as. Once you clicked, it will be saved into it, and you may see by entering into your Roblox application. So over there please enter into your profile. In the profile you may see the creation. So once you click the creation, you may see your game. Once you click the creation, you may see your game file. So how to publish it? So here what we are going to do is we are going to publish those. So for that you need to enter into the file. Over there you need to click publish in Roblox as. Once you click, and please select the game you want to publish. So here you can overwrite the game, or either you can create a new one. So if you click override, the game will be override over into your Roblox, or else you can click add a new place to create a new one. Yeah, I clicked as new place and I just clicked create. So once you clicked, yeah, it's successfully published. So this is how guys we need to publish our games. So I hope the video is useful. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.